Welcome back. On day 1 of this 5-day data science video series, we saw why data science exists and what you actually do in this career. Today, let's talk about the most important question, the data science roadmap and skills you must master first. Here's a hard truth that most people won't tell you. Over 60% of beginners quit data science within the first few months. Not because it's too hard, but because they start without a clear roadmap. Most beginners jump straight into AI tools, machine learning models, or fancy frameworks. At first, it feels exciting, but soon everything becomes confusing. You run code without understanding why it works, and that's where frustration begins. If you're serious about building a career in data science, your journey must begin with strong fundamentals. Start with statistics to understand whether insights are meaningful or just random noise. Then learn Python and SQL because real-world data resides in databases and these tools are used every day. Next comes data analysis, where you clean data, identify patterns, and explain what's actually happening. Once these foundations are strong, learning machine learning and advanced AI becomes much easier. You don't just copy models, you understand why they work. This builds confidence, reduces learning time, and makes you job ready faster. In today's market, companies prefer professionals who understand fundamentals over those who only know tools. Quick check for you. Which skill do you think is the most important to start with? Statistics, Python and SQL, data analysis. Comment your answer. On day 3, we'll break down the exact tools and technologies used in real data science jobs and how AI tools are changing the workflow. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.